Hello YouTube, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. This video is about the article Ningaloo Coast on Australia Unwrapped.com. I bet if you ask any traveler which place he loves the most or where would he like to visit, you would definitely hear Australia from them. The Ningaloo Coast is situated in the northwestern coastal region of the Western Australia. It is situated along the East Indian Ocean, about 750 miles north of Perth. The name of the island comes from Australian Aboriginal language Wajari's word Ningaloo, which means deep water. Witness the diverse marine life of Ningaloo, swim and check out the beautiful fishes like clownfish, lionfish, moray eels, and water sharks in the months between April to June, and meet the humpback whales in the months of June and November. You can also see the rare species of turtle in the interactive trials in the month of January and February. Witness the coral spawning in the months of March and April. Snorkeling in the coral lagoons will give you once in a lifetime experience. Take a four-wheel drive from Charles Knife Canyon or South Hole Canyon Road to the Cape Range National Park. The four-wheel drive or a quad bike is the best way to explore the beautiful coastline. Stay at the seaside town and soak in the beauty of the place. A walk at the Yardie Creek will take you closer to the wildlife and wildflowers. For further details, hit the link below and comment, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.